What's up guys, and you are watching Hyper IT Sec channel, and today I'm going to show you how to delete any program or application over the Mac system. So in this regard, let's start the video. So you have to click on this finder, and then you have to select the applications. Then you have to search for your desired application, or desired application will be available over there among these applications. In my case, I want to remove work composer. So I will type here work composer. Work composer. So I will get the respective file which needs to be deleted, or respective program which needs to be deleted. Okay, so just we have to select all, and then we have to remove, or we have to put inside the bin. That's it. So you can see that we have successfully removed the work. In our case, you can see that we cannot remove this because it's giving me an error that this file or application has already been opened, so we cannot remove it. So in this regard, we have to quit this program. Now we can remove it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, forward to your family and friends. See you in next video. Bye bye.